Assalamu alaikum students. We are discussing next long question of unit 5. Long question 1. Define Boyle's law and verify it with experimental verification of Boyle's law. You have to write the first heading is introduction, which is starting from in 1962 to till temperature. Then definition. He observed that volume of the given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure provided the temperature remains constant. It's the definition. Next, mathematical derivation. Third heading, derivation mathematically. Derivation and next experimental verification. And next this diagram and explanation of diagram. Till here, it's the long question 1. Now long question 2, starting from define Charles law and explain with example. So you have to write the first introduction from here till here, then definition, the volume of given mass starting from here, then constant, when next derivation, mathematical derivation is starting from here, and pressure P is constant till here. And second heading is experimental verification of Charles law. Instead of it, you have to write explanation with example. In example, you have to write this experiment and these diagrams till here. Next, long question 3. It has only 6 long questions. Long question 3, vapor pressure. Definition of vapor pressure starting from here till here. Then explanation. And next you have to write effect of intermolecular forces. In place of nature of liquid, you have to write effect of intermolecular forces on a vapor pressure till here, and you have also drawn this diagram in your long question 3. Now long question 3, after long question 3, long question 4, boiling point when a liquid is heated. For the definition of boiling point, you have to write first introduction till here, and then definition starting from here till here. After that, you have to only write the factor affecting on the boiling point starting from here, and it will end till pressure cooker. Next, long question 5, diffusion and factors affecting the diffusion. First, I have definition, which is starting from here till here, mixture. Then example starting from here till here. You have to also write this, note this diagram on your include your long question in your long question. Next, factors affect the diffusion, intermolecular forces, shapes of molecules till temperature till here. And the last long question is define the amorphous source and explain the amorphous source and crystalline source. And you have to write the 2 headings, definition, which is starting from here till here, amorphous solids. Next, you have to write the example. They do not have sharp melting points. It can be included in properties. And next, plastic, rubber and even glasses. These are example. Next, crystalline solids. First definition till crystalline solids, then they have definite surfaces or faces. These are the explanation, or you can also write they have definite surfaces. You have also write the heading properties till here, sharp melting points. Then third heading is example. Examples of crystalline solids are diamond, sodium chloride, etc.